Alright, we're going to clean a mattress real quick. We did put some peroxide on the mattress.
Yeah, they complained that their bulldog had got on the bed, which, you know, everybody sees for their dogs, and it peed a little bit a few times, so. We're just trying to vaporize any urine or whatever up into the air and out of the mattress itself, so it'll be cleaner for them. And our goal it's not really stain removal, which there are no stains, it's just to clean. All they want to know is that the mattress is safe to lay on.
Yeah, mattresses can get dingy over time, and a lot of it's wear in the fabric. But they can get discolored.
Oh yeah. We're just trying to get the germs out. And it is cleaning it. I can see the clean passes, the clean side compared to the dirtier side. So it's not like it's not cleaning it, but our goal is to get the germs out of the bed. Yeah, you can see it. If you look at this side and that side, you can definitely see the clean strip.
It's hard to tell how it's going to look on camera.
It looks good by the naked eye. Yeah, the camera can distort anything into looking good or bad, where it's fake.
Now when you do mattresses, you want to try to use a dryer steamer, and not one that puts out too much moisture as it cleans, because it'll take a long time for the mattresses to dry.
Yeah, these guys want to go to bed tonight on this thing. So.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only 5:30 or so, 5, I don't even know what time it is, but it'll dry by 9
on a Saturday afternoon, so people want to be able to go to bed tonight for sure.
Sure. Especially after they spend all day moving, because this is a brand new move into this house, so.
I'm going to set this up here.
Clean everything. Now I am surprised, Nate, although I'm going over this slowly, I'm seeing some stains, you know, that's embedded in the fabric come out. There's a certain amount of stuff that will just remove. The steam's so hot, it vaporizes it out.
Don't steam that power bank. You might want to come around to this side and
what I'm going to do.
Let's do this edge. The edge you can't really see. I'm gonna stick this back down.
No, leave it up there for now. We'll take the pole here off. Do it like this so I can get a little better leverage. That's okay, leave it on that side.
I'll hold on to it for a second.
You can set it down. I'm going to do this side and then go to that side and we'll move it over then. Oh yeah. It's cooking. Tangle this a bit.
Now if you steam your mattress, your pillows, you can even steam your pillowcases if you want to do it real quick, and they smell good when you go to bed that night. That nice fresh smell of steam.
Yeah, we've steamed sheets. You just run it across it like it's an iron, and they're dry like in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, if you're in a hurry, don't even unmake the bed. Just put the sheet down and pull it kind of tight and steam the sheet. Then remove the sheet and steam the mattress. And then just turn a fan on and let everything dry. And then you can do it a little bit faster. That way if you don't want to go to the laundry that day, you can still clean your bedding. And you can clean pillows and pillowcases that way too.
Well, 275 degrees will virtually clean anything. I mean, it kills bed bugs, fleas, gnats, mites, whatever. So it's going to clean a sheet. There's no reason to where it won't, because it does.
Running on a low, getting down to a pretty low battery here. So.
Oh, we'll be done soon.
Did you zip along the edge?
Yeah.
Yeah, the outer edge on the thing.
I will right now.
Now when you're cleaning mattresses and things like that, realize 275 degrees is pretty hot. Don't stay on something too long. It's better to make several light passes than to really sit there and
I'm gonna sit here and wait because the
always waiting for the green light to come back on.
yeah, I'll let it be. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I'll let it steam up because it will. That's pretty good. Lightly moist and lightly moist.
Yeah, just hit that edge, hit this corner and the edge a little bit because
I'm gonna do this whole.
that's where they get dingy there because that's where people, the rub marks when people are getting in and out of bed.
Yeah.
Now we put some peroxide on this, but we did not put any other cleaning solutions on it. And
Yeah, we just put peroxide to help get rid of the urine.
if you do use a cleaning solution on mattresses, it's best to use a neutral pH because otherwise, if you don't get it 100% out, it's gonna feel a little bit tacky and stiff when people lay on the bed. So.
But this is all there is to it. It's pretty simple and smooth to do. It don't take no real work. It's just, the steamer does everything, you just move it around.
Yeah. And the mattress will be dry enough they can sleep on it later. If you've done it with an extractor, you want to do it early in the day so it has time to dry. Make sure there's fans on it the whole time. I'm going to run over here and see if I can turn the ceiling fan on. Boom.
This will be dry in 10 minutes.
Yep.
Probably. I mean, pretty fast.
Well, it's a great way to clean a mattress, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
All right, he's reaching the end of this. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here because there's not much left to show. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and make sure and check our channel for other videos. And until next time, thanks for watching.